Hey everyone, Adrian's here, and I'm so excited to talk to you today about something I am incredibly passionate about, helping your child achieve academic excellence. Helping your child achieve academic excellence. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. Now, I want to be able to transform their academic journey. Okay, so let me talk about that. Are you ready to transform your child's academic experience into an unparalleled success? Hmm? Hmm? Because I am thrilled to announce three, well, actually four incredible upcoming parent-free virtual live workshops that I am going to empower you and truly enhance your child's academic journey. No matter what kind of schooling you're doing, traditional, homeschool, or anything in between. These aren't just any workshops. They're 90-minute power sessions led by me, Adrian Cox Settles, and we're diving deep into critical aspects of schooling that can make all the difference in your child's future. Okay, let me give you the rundown. Now, let's break down these amazing opportunities. Okay, first up, mark your calendar for Sunday, June the 29th from 1:30 p.m. to 3 o'clock p.m. EDT. We're kicking off with successfully homeschooling your child for academic competitiveness. If you're homeschooling, this is the absolute must attend. We'll be covering strategies to give your child the competitive edge, ensuring that you're not just learning, but truly preparing them for the challenges of higher education and beyond. You can click the link below in the description to learn more and sign up. Next, on Sunday, July the 6th, from 1:30 p.m. to 3 p.m. EDT, we're tackling a big one, how to get your child accepted into the college of their dreams. Okay. Now, this workshop is for everyone, whether your child is just starting their academic journey or is closer to the college age. We're going to uncover the secrets to guide them through the college acceptance process with confidence, helping them secure their spot at a dream school. Don't miss out. The link is below. Then on Sunday, July the 13th from 1:30 p.m. to 3 p.m. EDT, we're diving into the nitty-gritty with creating an impressive homeschool transcript. For all homeschool parents, this is the chance to learn how to craft a standout transcript that not only highlights your child's incredible achievements, but also set them apart in the academic circles. Okay, so trust me, a well crafted transcript can open many doors. Check out the link below for more details. And finally, off the presses on Sunday, July the 27th from 1:30 p.m. to 3 p.m. EDT, we're added a new workshop. Now, this is a new workshop for me. The other ones I have done several times, but this one is called Crack the Code, Your Guide to Elite School Admissions. Okay. Guide to Elite School Admissions. Now, this is for those aiming for the top. We'll be discovering strategies on how to successfully prepare your child for elite school admission. If you've been wondering how to navigate these challenges, this workshop is for you. The link to sign up is right there in the descriptions. Okay, so you're wondering why these workshops? Why these workshops? Why? Why should I dedicate my Sunday afternoon to these workshops? And that is a great question. Oh, a great one. Now, these are parent-free workshops, which means you can focus entirely on the content without any distractions. Each session is live and interactive, giving you the chance to ask questions and to get real-time answers. Okay, my goal is to equip you with the knowledge and tools you need to support your child in the academic success, making their journey smoother and more successful. Okay, so that's part of the reason. Okay, so no matter if your child attends a traditional school, is homeschooling, or even if you're just exploring educational paths, the insight and strategies we'll be sharing are applicable to all types of schooling. Okay, to all types of schooling. Okay, so we're talking about the fundamental principles of academic excellence, strategic planning, and navigating the sometimes complex world of education. Okay. Now, these workshops are designed to be super exciting, informative, and I want you to feel empowered and confident about each session, ready to apply what you learn to your child's unique situation. Are you ready? Are you ready to apply what you've learned to your child's unique situation? I want you to be ready. Now, ready to elevate your child's success? Are you ready? Are you ready? So, if you are ready to take your child's academic journey to the next level, if you're ready to truly unlock their potential and set them up for unparalleled success, then these workshops are for you. You. All the details, including a link to learn more about them and register for each workshops, are in the description below. Now, the spaces are limited for these live sessions, so don't wait too long to sign up. Okay. So I can't wait to see you there and help you transform your child's academic future. Okay. I can't wait. So let's make academic excellence a reality for your kids. Okay. What are you most excited to learn in these workshops? I'm just very curious. What are you most excited to learn in these workshops? Okay. Let me know in the comments below. Okay. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tips and insights on helping your child thrive. Okay. So I will be seeing you soon, hopefully, but I just wanted to show you a few things really quick that I'm going to be discussing at the workshop. Okay, so this right here is one of my books. It's called can you see it? The Clear and Concise Strategies of How to Get Your Child Accepted into College. Okay, guidebook for parents. So this is a book. I have this on Amazon in multiple colors. And then it starts you from pre-K and it takes you all the way up to 12th grade and all the different processes and things you need to know. I have numerous information inside. I have two different types of SAT vocabulary practice notebooks. Okay, so this one right here is the fill in the blank one, and then this is the fill in the blank one, and then I have another one also, and this one it's on Amazon too. I have a collection of student success planners. If you want to keep your child organized, some people call it an agenda, for the year, your weekly plans. I have the yearly plans at a glance and so much and things you can take notes. You can take notes and things like that. Okay. I have practice your timetables. This book in many colors and things like that. So I have timetable books, I have addition books, I have math notebooks, and so on and so forth. And then this, last but not least, well, no, I have one more. Last but not least, I have the homeschool yearly planner. Okay, this is the homeschool yearly planner that I've created for homeschoolers, and it has everything you need to stay organized: reading log, field trip logs, homework tracker, general plans, and so on and so forth. Okay, once you get this book is all you need for your evaluation. I would say this book, and then I would say I have my binder kit. Okay, I have my binder kit. Okay, portfolio binder kit. Pretty much, I give you the paper that's needed to go inside of your binder. Okay, so between your binder and your yearly planner, this is pretty much all you need for your yearly, your homeschool yearly evaluation. And I am a certified homeschool evaluator also, evaluator also, among other things. Okay, so I'm looking forward to seeing you. I've been doing these workshops for a while now. Parents are very excited about the workshops. There's two other workshops that I have been thinking about doing and parents have requested. So eventually I probably will is a workshop on math, how to help your child be excited and successful in math. And another workshop is how to guide your sons through, I guess, through the college admission process. Okay, so I have three sons and they all have been skipped. Academically, they have all been advanced and taken advanced courses and so on and so forth. I have two in college now, but I have one, he'll be going to college soon. And so in my book, the clear and concise strategy of how to get your child accepted into college, I'll talk about my story and how they were reading, pretty much at 3 and so on and so forth. So yeah, I have a lot of experience when it comes to boys and a lot of moms that come into my tutoring business, I give them a lot of advice on how to maneuver the journey with their sons. How to maneuver the journey with their sons. Okay, so that's pretty much it. Hopefully, I will see you, at one of the workshops. You do not have to come to all four. Just try to pick which one you find to be the best fit for you and come to that one. And I will see you soon. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Peace.